Okay, we have section 3.1, question E8, and we have, you may have noticed in racetracks, the curves are banked so that cars can speed through them, or even on the roads. You may notice that. I used to work in an engineering office, and we would have to angle the roads. The faster the curve, the steeper we had to bank the angles. So these look like they're actual data. Again, we have a source, and personally I always like the actual data ones better. So first of all, we have described the pattern in this scatter plot. And what I'm seeing there is there does look like there's a trend. The higher we go in banking angle, the higher the TRAS. What does the TRAS stand for here? The top average speed. So it makes sense. Higher speeds have higher angles there. Not always, and we have some exceptions. And it's not a real strong. I would say that's a moderate. If you've played the guessing correlations game, which there's a link to in the module week 3, I'm thinking that's probably a 0.5-ish, a positive 0.5, maybe between 0.4 and 0.6. But right now we're just asked if it's positive or negative, and it's certainly positive. The higher the banking angle in general, the higher the TRAS. Okay, now we have it separated out between short and long racetracks. So the red dots give us short, blue is long. In other words, we're adding a third variable here by injecting color into the scatter plot. And if you have watched the Hans Rosling video that we have, that would be 5 variables that they incorporate into a scatter plot. So here we have, in general, if we're looking where are the blue dots compared to the red dots for any given banking angle, the blue dots are higher. So we'll say the TRAS is larger for the longer tracks because blue represents long. And final question, which track is an outlier? Looking at that scatter plot and seeing that trend line come right through here, this guy looks like an outlier. So it's got about a 100 TRAS, a little over 35 banking angle. If we go up here to the chart, we're looking for something that hits both of those. And here we see that Bristol Motor Speedway has a 36 angle, 101 TRAS. And so we would fill in those two values there.